The purpose of the ejaculation is like very similar to crying with your eyes. I call this Yoni crying. If you feel a lot of sadness in your heart, you cry, you shed tears, and take a teardrop and look under the microscope. If there's such a microscope, you will see there is molecules of sadness in this teardrop. So therefore, the more you cry, the more tears you shed. And the more tears you shed, the more sadness you release from the body. So Yoni crying is the same. If you take a teardrop of Amrita, I call this in Sanskrit, take a teardrop, take a drop of Amrita and look under the microscope, you will see molecules of shame, fear, guilt, rage, sadness, greed, mistrust, all this stuff. So the more you ejaculate, which is every woman's birthright, the more you ejaculate, the more toxics, emotional and the toxins that you release from the yoni, clearing the yoni. And once you open this gateway for ejaculation, it will never close. It stays open forever.